How to add photos on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how to add bio on Tinder. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Tinder application, as this will lead you to this kind of screen interface. On this feed, you can discover new likes and dislikes. You can see different icon on the bottom. Tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner, as this will lead you to my Tinder profile. Here, tap on the profile. Once you are here, you can see the photos that I have uploaded on my profile, and it has only 9 limits. To add a new one, tap on the cross and it will give you two options whether to delete photo or replace one. Tap on replace. Now it will ask you to capture it from your camera or upload photo from your gallery or a loop. Choose your preferred medium. Here I want to upload photo from my gallery, so I am tapping on upload. Then it will take you to your gallery. Choose a preferred photo and tap on done. And now you can adjust the photo as you want. If you found our video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.